Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off weather forecast on Windows 11. So without further more discussion, let's start. Right click on the start menu and click on settings. The settings app will open. And click on personalization, then taskbar. On the right, turn off the toggle next to widgets. The weather widget will no longer be present in your taskbar. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.